Shabbat Shalom, Ambazonia. Today, na Saturday, number 16 day for the month of October 2021. My name na Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, aka Sense Pass King, Lukong, una own countryman, Mr. No Koni. Una welcome to my daily podcast to una. It has been 2 days since La République du Cameroun terrorist gendarme for Insa Boya shoot and killed 5-year-old Caroline Lizette, where Mami carry for go drop am for school. But first, the United States Congress introduced a bill where it go offer, which we they call them say TBS, temporary protected status for Ambazonian them for the ongoing war where it happened between Southern Cameroon and La République du Cameroun. If the United States, their Congress, adopt this bill, pass this law, it will give protection for all refugees them where they don't run war for inside Ambazonia go for America. This type of immigration law, it will transform American foreign policy as the war between Ambazonia and La République, it will become a domestic interest for the Joe Biden administration for push forward their policy for try for bring them to an expected end. The bill began previously been written over a year ago. Thanks to the French Emmanuel Macron, their lobby, it began be stalled, but now with the increasing violence and brutality of La République du Cameroun on the Amazonian people, the bill have been finally tabled by the Subcommittee on Immigration and Citizens in the United States Congress. Cameroon war on Ambazonia have led to the displacement of over 2 million people from the British Southern Cameroons back to Ambazonia. The president of the Ambazonia Governing Council, Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba, addressed the nation. The leader of our war of liberation, Dr. Ayaba Cho, talking about the death and murder of baby Caroline in Boya, has this to say.
This death will not go in vain. And that all of these deaths, all the perpetrators must be held accountable. There is an ongoing sense of invincibility that exists amongst Cameroon military officers. That notion of invincibility has been born out of a system that does not hold officers who murder to account. It has also been because we have failed to a certain extent to bring to justice those who commit murder within our country. Yesterday was a game changer. We are aware that the Ekemas died without being held to account. The Oben Peter Ashus, the Achidi Achus, and others have died without answering, to all the crimes that they committed against our people. There has been a lot of calls from our people for us to seize the moment. For us to seize the moment. They have likened what happened to baby Caroline as what happened in 1914 that immediately ignited World War I, or the Soweto uprising. I have responded in this way. In our struggle for liberation, there will be hundreds of battles. Some of these battles will be fought by our military. Some will be fought by civil society. Some will be fought by organized groups, interest groups, professionals, advocates. All of these battles will culminate to the freedom of Amazonia. It is not in my interest and the interest of the Ambazonian Governing Council to attempt to exploit every battle to show leadership or to demonstrate control. There are battles that will be fought, and we will offer our moral and leadership support. There are other battles that will be fought, and we will offer financial support. Yesterday was one of such battles where our people rose up, took their destiny in their own hands, and we offered military backing. But we allowed the people to take leadership. That's how leaders are born, under extraordinary circumstances. And it will be wrong for the leadership of this liberation struggle to always attempt to impose itself in all battles. We will provide moral guidance. We will provide leadership support. And we will ensure that we communicate what has happened to the international community in such a way that it influences international policies. And that's the approach that we have adopted. It's an ongoing struggle. And when our population rose up yesterday, they also sent a message to other communities, other cities.
The president of the Ambazonia Governing Council, he talks say all man a place a day for war like this, make all man a begin to support all action. Some battle them na population go to fight them, so one them na civil society go to fight them, all man a place a day. Leadership for abroad, it could make sure say they could communicate all this happening them for the international community, so that make it begin affect policy them where go end up for bring Ambazonia their freedom where they want them when a total independence. It only talk say the people for Buea, they don't give example for all community. Say me will begin rise up every time we will get this type of incident where occupation forces them kill innocent picking them as they done they kill them throughout our national territory. The Ambazonia Governing Council is wait for community leader them for ground for Buea for pick a date where all we will go shidong for remember this our picking way die with the thousands of picking them for across Ambazonia where La Republic occupation forces them they don't kill them using act of terrorism. The die and the killing of Bebe Caroline it don't bring swift international response as well. One, as a string of trend from Thibault Nagy where it show say America their foreign policy them it take shape concerning the war between Ambazonia and La Republic. Thibault Nagy, the former Secretary of State of African Affairs for United States of America, he get this one if I talk him for a Twitter. I go translate him for our talk as he write him as follows. He talk say, any man dey for this war where he doubt say na Cameroon gendarme he kill that poor pikin because he didn't deny for pay bribe for 500 francs. Any man where he no road them for La Republic du Cameroon for inside Cameroon, he go know say power get them day where if they plenty where La Republic they take and for take money for people. He say na big shame for the corrupt government for La Republic du Cameroon. Corruption it kill for and it for high level. End of quote. As the international community they see the real face of Cameroon occupation. As Thibault Nagy, he ask him, say, does anyone doubt, say na Cameroon government, their gendarme, he killed Bebe Caroline because they then deny for pay 500. Indeed, it go shock una. Yes, some person then they way, they pretend for be doubting Thomas. This one, na nobody, but Agbo Bala, the infiltrator, the implant, where La Republic be sent them for can take over the strike where lawyer them and teacher they be start them under the leadership of Harmony Bogba for demand a change on the form of state for federalism or outright independence. He can take the struggle, he redefine them away from that objective for bring them for another thing. La Republic it then tend to Agbo Bala for come cover up their crime and for cushion themselves from international pressure from the killing of Bebe Caroline. Now, Bobaladan come now say he don't do investigation. Wanna hear ye?
Activist Agbo Bala reacted to the incident and explained what happened after carrying out an investigation.
We don't wake up today for Buea for some very bad news. Some gendarme don't shoot some small pikin wait till we don't investigate, we hear and say the driver be the driving a motor where they call and say Clando. That motor them where they carry people them. They be carry picking them, they go school for around that cathedral between the road. And we hear say the gendarme one may the driver give you some money because you know get the driver not get right to drive, the driver deny. Then he shoot the motor, he kill that picking for back. We don't know whether if the one kill the picking deliberately. And as population to be there, no, they fall for the drive for the gendarme scheme. They don't beat the gendarme, so but this thing na really recklessness and a big human rights violations. We get to make sure say if that gendarme they're alive or whoever authorized it for go stand for road for that hour, they get to bring them.
So my fellow country people, now Agbobala this it talk say Idam come do investigation. Inside a report where they give for international press and for local press, it talk say he no even know whether the gendarme way kill baby Caroline, he don't die or he alive or he don't die. Then you go want to ask yourself, say now which kind investigation where he don't do am? If no be say a job na for try for cover up for La Republic. He say the woman, he be the drive baby Caroline mame, he be the drive na Clando. We all would see say na private car where that motor he be the driver. Even if then transform motor, private car into Clando, it means say he be the carry passenger them. Agbobala want to give the impression say the La Republic military they be the suspect say maybe that motor he carry plenty people them inside or he be the doing a public transport. That woman he be carry only one passenger, a pikin where he wear uniform, he go for school. He no be been a public transport, he no be been a Clando. Now the same thing where they be do am, that way then key 4 pikin where they be go for study for GCE for Bamenda. They be can't lie say they be put marijuana for day. Say that picking them, they be smoke marijuana for give impression. Say the military them, maybe they be facing a amber boy them. So na Agbobala this, he don't come back again for can cover up for La Republic. He talk say that woman be the drive na Clando. The woman in moto be stopped. We know so because eyewitness them, they don't talk, we don't interview multiple people for ground. Even just by observing the video them, all Ambazonia they know the truth for way to way it happened. Agbobala he talk say they drive the military man where he shoot that woman, where he shoot the pikin, he no be shoot them intentionally. But we know very well, say from eyewitness testimony, one of the gendarme he be stand in front of the motor, where he means they be see the woman fine, they be done first check the motor for the first checkpoint for corner market. So they be know very well the passenger the way they be there inside, they be know the position where they shoot down for inside. The fact say they shoot that motor now with 2 bullets, one for driver's side, one for the passenger side. It means say the gendarme it be shoot with intention for kill. If it be one shoot now with intention for disable the motor, me the motor no waka. If a shoot now towards the tire, the woman says up he don't talk to the ask him money. The video testimony them for the initial reaction them. All man they talk in front of the gendarme colleague. Say they become now because of money where the woman deny. Now you will then follow that woman for shoot them, kill them. As La Republic, he go to use enablers for try for cover up their crime and for downplay their crime where they don't commit them. May we hear again once more for an eyewitness testimony where be day for day on the ground. It be witness way to way it happen. He don't talk for other third party them and the account be more credible as we see how things that they unfold.
What happened, Mr. President? What happened? I said, come from Bukuva. They be posted to Bukuva. They go come to Central Market. They don't stand human pass with picking they go school.
So when I hear from this community leader na president for Market Union for day, he talk say this thing it happened for before. The gendarme were key that picking na one the way them be posted for Bukuva. So na gendarme the way all man is sabi them, they know their control for day and their activity. May go here.
What happened, Mr. President? What happened? I said, come from Bukuva. They be posted to Bukuva. They go come and control Central Market. They don't stand human pass with picking they go school. They stop each and go school. They follow each other from cathedral.
So now here, then stop it for market. It tell the gendarme them say it go school for drop it picking. That one he go give on an insight and collaborate the other witness testimony them where they don't tell we say they be stop the motor session even open back boat for the corner market. Checkbook them all thing they correct. The woman come out they go because he the hair for go drop it picking according to third-party witness. So it collaborate with the eyewitness it explain. May we continue for here.
They're stopping each and go school. They follow each other from cathedral. That must stop.
So then follow ye. Now for indicate say there was a chase. Then follow the woman in moto. Time where he come up for the first control point. He go. He stop. Then can't catch the moto for the gendarme even stand for in front. For indicate say they be done inspect the moto. They be know exactly the position where driver shidong. They be know the position where the Pekin is shidong when I hear.
That must stop. This is another way come to the one that is going to school. We're going to get around it. As it talk, you want to motor that and man shoot up, you will come. Shoot up.
So when I hear the woman get conversation with the gendarme them, he talk say he want run go drop Pekin for school. As he want go, now for the way the gendarme open fire, shoot the Pekin directly for a headshot. Now a deliberate and targeted killing of a young baby of 5-year-old without any mercy, without any regard for life, simply because the mommy denied for pay 500 francs. Another bullet, the second bullet, the shooter never shoot the woman where he drive. Fortunately for the woman, the bullet missy, he live for testify which way it happened.
As it talk, you want to motor that and man shoot up, you will come. Shoot up, you will go 500 francs.
So when I hear Agbobala, after he talk say he don't do investigation, he get an NGO where he send letter them for report for the international community about which way it happened. He did report for all NGO, for all diplomatic corps. He don't come out with the report talk say he don't even know whether the gendarme way shoot that Pekin he don't die or not. But he give a can talk say he know say the gendarme be shoot, he no be shoot deliberately for kill the Pekin. He need for can lie say the woman be the drive na clando all. Now the work for enablers. Now the reason this war it take long because you get enablers and collaborators like Agbobala, like Reverend Fonki, where each time Cameroon it carry out terrorism activity them for our territory, that they can cover up, that they can twist them, that they can soften them, so that Cameroon go get away with murder, and the genocide it will continue unabated, and international reaction it will be suppressed by their lies and distortion of reality. This is the truth of the matter. Cameroon government, it done launch a war against Ambazonian. That means against all citizens for southern British Cameroon. The instructions from Yaoundé, Mr. Paul Biya, it be clear. He done express them directly, a parliamentarian and all their talking head, CPDM, Kaba, they done express them. Anybody where talk say he want separation, anybody where talk say he want independence, say be Ambazonian, for them. They are already guilty of terrorism, act of subversion of state power, and insurrection. The punishment for such crime in La République du Cameroun is death by firing squad. So, na La République, their political objective, their way for fight for this political objective, na for send army them for Ambazonia, for kill all Ambazonians them, where they hold this opinion. Na a genocide, na a deliberate killing of our people for a political objective. By definition, this is a classic genocidal case. Every Ambazonian is at risk. Nobody is safe. The colonial governor, where he done call our people them dogs and cockroaches them, he done lay the foundation for facilitate the killing of our innocent civilians them. The spokesperson of Cameroon military, he done justify the burning down of our villages, killing of innocent civilians because they are Ambazonians. How many of us are Ambazonians? 99% of our people are, according to statistics. This is an existential war. It is a systematic killing and murder of our people, from Bebe Mata, Samsoya, Mami Appiah. The list go on and on and on. The collaborators are equally guilty as the perpetrators of this genocidal war by La République du Cameroun. The time for silence is over. It's time to speak the truth, and all men of God, all those who are in position, as Dr. Cho Ayaba said, it is a collective struggle. Everybody must play their part by properly identifying what is happening and speaking the truth, so that it is going to shorten the distance between our people to freedom, free to live their life as the identity upholds, free to live without fear of being killed by a foreign army that speaks a foreign language, that imposes an alien law and an annexes state of union upon our people and our beloved country, the British Southern Cameroon's Ambazonia. Ambazonians must remain resilient and uphold the 4 pillars of our liberation movement so that no future generation shall go through this plight and this pain as this generation goes through this journey to our freedom. God bless you all. Capo Daniel signing off.